I have such lovely people to work with. I know he's my father, but in your second film to work with a director who's made 40 plus films is a very, very big thing. And so thank you. Thank you for choosing me for this. And Ekta, I want to tell Ekta a big, big thank you because you bet on me even, you know, before anything happened for Student of the Year. You were always very positive, and once the film released, you gave me such a big film like this. And I don't think any newcomer gets such a big film in his second film. I don't think they get that budget or they get this kind of...
But you know, there's a reason for that, Varun.
What is it?
तू दिखता है बड़ा स्वामी टाइप का, but तू है बड़ा हरामी टाइप का. Who could manage with two women with such an innocent face except for Varun? Tell me, there's no one else.
मैं दिखता हूँ बच्चा, but actually हूँ बहुत बड़ा लुच्चा. You know, all of them, it's been a team effort. I think from the get-go, everyone has supported this. From the production to the direction team to the post-production. I think everyone's put in a lot of hard work for this to come through and for you all to see it today. So my sincere request that please keep your heart open when you see this, because this film has been made with a lot of love and difficulty.
ये फिल्म में second half is like a homage to American Hustle. मतलब एक इसके साथ है, वो इसके साथ भी है, ये उसके साथ भी है, ये इसके साथ भी है. The second half is so mad, so funny, and the situational comedy so much that we needed a boy who had the qualities of young Salman and with the effortlessness of Govinda, and who could be probably so effortless in carrying off this faithfulness with two girls. He's my modern day Shri Krishna in the film. So, like, I think he's with every woman in the film.
No, I'm extremely faithful to two girls. That's the key word. Extremely faithful to two girls.
दोनों लड़कियों के साथ है. At the end of the day, I think even with his step mother-in-law, he's a couple of scenes.
Mimicry इतनी नहीं की है, but you know, there's a thing like Dad. His references are like that. Like he'll talk about Govinda a lot. He'll talk about Peter Sellers a lot. He'll talk about Mehmood a lot. And then obviously Salman Bhai, Ranbir, these are the people like even I've seen a lot. So they come naturally. There was a scene, little bit, there's a part in the film where the Barfi joke makes sense because ये कुछ बोलती नहीं है. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये गूंगी है. तो इसलिए उल्टा करता हूँ मैं. But ये मतलब सीनू का कैरेक्टर यही है कि वो कैरेक्टरलेस है. तो वो कुछ भी किधर भी कर सकता है.
This question is for David Dhawan. Why did you think of the title Main Tera Hero, and is it inspired from the song from Desi Boys?
Yeah, actually this song was my son's song, and the title also was with him. Actually, he gave it to me. It was Rohit's title and he gave it to me. I mean, he gave it to his brother.
वरुण, आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा ट्रेलर देखने के बाद कि शायद फिल्म जब रिलीज हो जाएगी तो मुन्नी से ज्यादा बदनाम आप ही हो जाओगे?
भाई मैं पैदा ही हुआ था बदनाम होने के लिए, तो मुझे चलेगा. But I think, see, it's a fun film, man. I'm 26 years old, and if you're put in a position with such beautiful girls, why wouldn't you do this? Like, why wouldn't you? I mean, look at them, yeah, obviously.
Finally, it's a deep connect because all three are family.
Sure.
So it's, I mean, an emotional connect to be with all. And in this whole thing, I must say that my son, Rohit Dhawan, is one without whom this film would have not been possible.
That's it. Yeah.
I'm not talking so much about Rohit because he doesn't like to be spoken about. He's like a Batman type of figure at home who stays in the darkness. But I have to say over here that without my brother, I wouldn't have been an actor and I wouldn't have been here. And he's given up, almost sacrificed so much for this film to get made and for me to get this second film and to make this happen. So thank you, Bhaiya, wherever you are. Thank you.